What is up, YouTube? It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, probably like what, almost a month or whatever. And last night I got inspired. I was like, bro, I want to vlog, so I'm gonna start vlogging. Fuck it, I'm gonna start vlogging. So today I'm vlogging, you know what I'm saying, a little day in life. I got 11 cuts today, but right now it's, what is it, 7:44. I'm about to hit the gym right now for a little hour and a half with my boy Izzy, so I'll see y'all there. So I just got here. It wasn't even a 2-minute drive, you know what I'm saying, literally down the street, but we're about to pop some pre-workout. Look, Ghost, I need something new, so let me know if y'all have something that y'all recommend, because I'm kind of getting over this flavor. But we here, I'm about to pop some of this shit and then go inside. You gotta get a healthy scoop, you know what I'm saying? Now, if you don't dry scoop, you're a bitch.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Bro, look at this shit. Talk about being a mess. What the fuck? So, let's find my boy Izzy. What's up, Woody? See the vlog? Today, about to do some shoulders and legs, so let's get to it.
Yo, YBH.
Just finished legs and shoulder. Shout out to boy Iz.
Homie went to Spain with the shoulder.
Tap in if you need a personal trainer. Sonoma County area, you know what I'm saying? Hit him on the Instagram, otf.izzy. Legs are fried, shoulders are fried. Out this bitch, time to go home, shower, get some food, and hit Vision's Barbershop, the job site, you know what I'm saying? I just got finished doing everything at the crib. Now I'm about to go to the shop and get the day started. I'll see y'all there. Hey yo. Hey yo. Little package from Stylecraft, John.
We're gonna go to 7. We might as well go to...
Let's see what we got. Go ahead and use code Chuyblendz.
Hey, they have an NDA split between 4 hours.
Okay. Okay. Ooh, slimy. Some slimy styling combs. These are Mando for show. Some blue clips. Need them.
Oh, he's nice, dude. I can tell.
I don't even got a beard, but we trying this shit out.
My beard's almost there.
Nice. Let me try it out, bro.
Heat stroke.
Little beard straightener, John. This is the. Oh, honestly. Corded?
They're corded, probably smacks.
Corded,
Like some
bud.
corded
This
T-liners.
shit probably heats up like a mofo too, yo.
Smacking like some corded T-liners for sure.
Just a case, clipper case, for show, for show. Oh, this one goes mainly. First cut of the day.
Tell my brother I'ma put the city on my back on this one. Yeah. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Ay. We was praying for them better days, but you ain't get it. Tell me what's your mission, if only you was the victim. See that time's been flying, the sacrifice they ain't missing. I see the shot, I'ma risk it, take it like a prescription. Damn, overzealous, baby, I'm over jealous. I'm tryna go get to know you, you guessing up on my credit, or really you know about it. Asking for an investment, you want it but indiscretion. No teacher show you a lesson, damn. Front the row since a youngin' try to put us on. Used to bump SK, anybody my favorite song. Who you think you playin', baby? Bitch, don't call my phone, bitch, just leave me alone. Riding by my lawn, hate on me but I do not retaliate. Success the best revenge, so I murder the cops so silently. Run around them laps, steady worry who I'm dissing. My mama taught me better than to focus on the little shit. Ayy, party rockin', shawty, she shows stopping. When I pull her to the building, I got it, she can't stop talking. Used to be the kid in class, everybody was mocking her. Maybe just trying to imitate, biggest form of a compliment. See my accomplishments, further by my own confidence. Taking me farther than anybody thought, guess it's common sense. I keep it moderate, they slept on me, the problem kid. Criticized me since way, but then I hoping to reap benefits. Used to dream about the cars and the better pictures. Now I dream and I work hard, cause ain't nobody get shit. You gotta honor your regards, cause everybody gifted. I used to take it to the heart, no father ever dish it. Ooh, gotta get it in, we get it in. Used to see respect, but it's earned, not giving in. Can't worry about the present, the future is where my vision.
Got like 4 cuts down. It's about 1 p.m. Nah, I'm tripping. It's about to be 3 actually. It's 2:30. Going to Trader Joe's, you know what I'm saying? Get some food, some lunch. Oh, Trader Joe's around. Literally 2-second drive. Already here. I'm on some healthy shit, straight salad vibes.
Fuck with the salad today. Caesar?
The Caesar?
$3.49? Can't beat it.
Cannot beat it. Cannot beat it.
Maybe the chicken wrap though.
Nah, I don't really fuck with wraps like that, bro. They don't got no chicken Caesar though. Oh, right here.
$4.99. Yeah,
Again, it's the one.
But this doesn't compare to the bianchinis. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, of course it's not gonna compare. It's $4.
Hey, the Cobb salad though. You got the egg, little bacon.
Nah, I'm cool off the wave. And the blue cheese?
Oh, yeah,
nah,
the blue
foul.
cheese is foul. The blue cheese
Foul.
is foul.
Yeah, nah. Just gonna do it right here. Copped a little salad, some little pita chips. Miz got the lemonade juggeroni. Can go wrong with lemonade. Sorry about that.
Never.
Hey, yo. Look at this dude.
Look at the top of his head.
They ask me how I'm feeling, my nigga, I'm feeling lovely. It must be everywhere I go. You could've been my mamacita, so ferocious, invoking all of your inner diva. She giving attitude while I'm stroking back shots till evening, and I'm in it for real. She make a face when I'm all in, gotta finish the drill. You red like my mamacita, so ferocious, invoking all of your inner diva. She giving attitude while I'm stroking back shots till evening, and I'm in it for real. She make a face when I'm all in, gotta finish the drill. Is red like if I lift you in a room with sharks. Dive up in the deep and let's see who you truly are. When I pull up just to your hood, you know, exotic in the car. And please, before you leave, like the blunt, I need a spark. I'm having major pain. Strange how close we were, stranger how quick the people are to change.
Full day of work complete.
Hey man. You take him? You take him?
11 cuts later.
No, we don't.
You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, that was today's vlog skis. Did 11 cuts, you know what I'm saying? Finally done. Finally done skis. About to go home and eat.